got
a...
something hanging off.
What? What's he got hanging off?
I hope
of
he
him?
doesn't fucking break this
I think it's
car.
Dude, he's not
I'll
gonna
say that.
break it. Look at those nipples.
That's what I was saying. He's got those weird nipple things.
Weird nipple things. Damn it, weird nipple thing.
This is the closest you'll ever be to a baboon.
I'm glad there's a big pane of glass between me and it. What's up, buddy?
I can smell him from here.
What's going on?
He smells like a vagrant.
We got Mr. Baboon here. We got some pretty sick wave action happening right here. Some windsurfers, kiters out. And we don't have gear. But we got a baboon. And I respect that. Ah, sick.
It has gingivitis.
It needs to brush its teeth. I don't want to get close enough to smell its breath. Check out our driving situation. We can barely see.
We're gonna be in so many people's Facebook photo albums.